Hi there, my name's Fiona. I'm one of the team here at PTFS Europe. And what's on my mind today is creating custom fields that help with your searching. Now, we are familiar with searching the catalogue, and what I'm about to show you today is by no means a new feature, but I was speaking to a customer about it yesterday, and I thought it's probably something that some of you are not familiar with, and it's certainly a very useful feature that's worth exploring. So we know we've got several ways to search our catalogue using Koha. You've got the search catalogue link at the top, which you can search using keywords, or you've got your selection for the indexes here on your Omnibox at the top of the screen. You've got the advanced search area, where again you can search across your bibliographic records using your pull down, selecting the relevant indexes and combining different indexes. And you can search your item records by making selections on things like your item type and collection codes and such like. And you've got your limits at the bottom of the screen. You've also got your item search. Now, your item search is accessible via the pull down menu at the search button at the top of the screen, or using the button on the main page. As its name suggests, the item search is designed to search your item records. So the selection that you're presented with for making your search relate only to those values in an item record. So you've got things like the library, shelving location, item type, etc. And then you can, obviously do call number ranges, and you can search item specific data as well, like barcode and call number and so on. What you can do though is create custom fields. So at the bottom of our pull down here, you see you've got the custom search fields heading. And currently we've got our notes and our withdrawn tags set up. So I'm going to show you how to set this up for another field. So if we nip over into our administration, over on the right hand side under your catalogue heading here, you have your item search fields. When you click on that link, this is where you configure your search fields that currently exist on the system, so we can make changes to them, or we create a new search field. So imagine I'm going to create this for a public notes field. So I'll just do pub n, and I'll give it the label of public note. And then I put my mark tag in. So we've got the 952, and that's a subfield set. Now at this point, you can link it to an authorized value. But in this case, I'm not, because our public notes field is just free text. I'll show you an example of that in a moment. So I'll submit that, and you can see it's now added it to my list. When I go to my item search screen now, you'll see I've got this additional custom field for public note. When I click on that, I can then select what my search string is going to be. And you've got the is or is not option. So I've just got a bit of text that I know will find results, and I'll just confirm that for you in a moment. So if I just put my text in here, so the text I'm looking for in my public note field is located in the picture books box. When I search that, obviously I can mix it with any of the other search criteria as well, but I get 3 results appearing on screen here. If we look at any of these, if we look at cat and bear, we can see that we've got a public notes field here of located in picture books box. Okay, I can obviously return to that search, and I can mix this located in picture books field here with any of the other criteria. So if I was looking for something that had this text that was specifically in the children's area, for example, or had a specific item type, then I could also add those search criteria. Now, I mentioned that it's possible to define these search fields to authorized values as well. So if we just return back to our item search fields configuration, you can see that the withdrawn one here references the withdrawn authorised values category. If we click to edit that, the only extra thing in here is that it links to the pull down of withdrawn. The withdrawn field is in the 952 subfield 0, and that links to the authorised value category of withdrawn. If we just have a look on our system at what that authorised value has in it, so there's our withdrawn one here, we can see we've only got the options of withdrawn or hidden. Obviously, the longer list we had there, the more selections we get at the item search. Now let's have a look at how that works. If I go to the item search screen, again, we've got a custom search field set up to do a search on the withdrawn. Now, when I click on this to do my search, it's no longer free text. If you recall, my public notes field was free text, but because this one is linking to an authorised value, I have to select one of the options then that's available here. So let's just pick withdrawn, and I search, and I'll get my results. So again, just to show you exactly what that's done, you can see here we've got the withdrawn status appearing, but if I just go into one of these records, again, just to confirm, the status here is withdrawn. So, in summary, the item search is a really underutilised search tool, in my opinion. And I just think that being able to add these custom search fields really enhances it and really allows you to be very specific with your search and get really easy on the screen results. So I hope you find that useful. Thank you very much, and see you next time.